Hey loves, it's Brianna. In today's video, we're going to be cleaning and organizing my car and decluttering my garage.
It is just a total mess in here. We've just got typical mom car status.
So many of you requested this video. It is sure to be very, very motivating. So make sure you give the thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed and have your notifications turned on so you don't miss any of the videos in this Declutter With Me series. All those smudges, we gotta get those. It just needs a really good dusting too. I feel like it looks really dusty. There's crumbs everywhere. Is it really a mom car? You don't have a sucker stuck to your carpet. Ah, gross. Oh, that's really nice in there too. Ew, gross.
No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive.
I'm just using some mint glass cleaner to wipe down all the windows and glass surfaces, and then I'm using my Cap and Clean Winter Woods multi-surface cleaner to wipe down everything else. It's the perfect car cleaning scent because it's got cedar wood, eucalyptus, pine. It smells so fresh and so clean.
Break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine. And I know this is my...
And a huge thank you to Teemu for sponsoring today's video. As a busy mom of three, it sometimes feels like we live in the car. But that also means the car gets messy very quickly. And like any mess, you know, it stresses me out when things get dirty fast. So I decided to order some things to keep the car more organized. First, I'm getting these organizers for the back of my seats because the kids always kick the back of the seats and get them dirty. And I love that they can have water bottles. If we're road tripping their iPads, I can put wipes and tissues in there, and they're only $10. And I'm ordering this trunk mat because, as you could see, my trunk is always full of dirt and dust and crumbs. And this way, it will be so much easier to wipe this off or throw it in the wash if I need to. And I love that it has storage compartments, and it's only $27. And for my area of the car, I love these sunglass clips, and these leopard cup holder coasters are only $2. You cannot beat that price. And Teemu is the best place to find affordable items for your home, car, and life. Teemu has a direct from factory supply chain model, so all the products on Teemu come directly from the factory. So you're avoiding the usual chain of sellers that hike up the prices. That's the reason I chose Teemu, because it is very budget friendly and you don't need to buy expensive if you buy right. I will have the links to everything I ordered to keep my car organized down in my description box below, and so that you can check out Teemu for affordable items for your car, home, and life.
Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
And I popped over to the car wash because I love using their super powered vacuums and they're free. So after I wiped everything down, I vacuumed everything and then took the car through the car wash.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
Okay, this is like a million times better back here than when we got started. Oh my gosh, it is so nice and shiny and it smells so good. It's like a clean, very like pine. Oh my God, I love this smell. I used our Cap and Queen Winter Woods multi-surface cleaner for this, and I feel like it's such a good car cleaning scent. Like it's very masculine. It smells like you're in a really good smelling man's car. Look at the difference here. Oh my gosh. So much nicer. No more smudges on the glass. Everything's all shined up and pretty. I love it. At least my car will look nice and clean for like one more day. That's usually how long it lasts. But I will link the Cap and Queen site so that you can order this for cleaning out your car. It seriously is like the best scent for cleaning your car.
All right, time to tackle this hot mess.
And oh boy, I really needed to tackle this garage. It was causing me so much stress and anxiety every time I pulled my car into the garage because of how messy and disorganized that it was. Stuff was just piled up everywhere. Things were thrown in piles. So it is time to make a change and get this garage back on track. I'm just done with the disorganization. I'm done with the stress it's causing me. So my method here is just to get everything out. I had a pile of stuff that we were going to keep in here, and then I made a pile of stuff. I actually just took it straight up to the curb because the next day was garbage day. And so that's why I timed doing this garage organization, even though it was a really hot day. It was like 90 something degrees, but I wanted to be able to have everything that was trash just go right out to the trash. And then I took a trunk load of stuff to donate as well.
Just thought I should let you know, yeah, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low, that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know, yeah, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered, was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the coma.
If you're new here and you're wondering how my garage got to this point and why I'm on this decluttering journey, I'm a divorced mom of 3. It has been 2 years since my divorce, and around the holidays last year, I decided I needed to do some serious healing. The first year, I honestly was looking for love and attention in all the wrong places. I was really depressed. And the holidays is my birthday too, so another year older, and I just decided I was going to make some life changes. I was going to heal and get back to happiness. So what does that look like? For me, it's that I've been going to therapy. I improved my diet. I committed to exercise every single day. I also prioritized wellness and travel the first half of this year. I schedule time for my friends and my family whenever I can so that I feel really connected. And one of the big things that was on my vision board that I made for the year was that I was going to declutter and organize my home so that I could feel more peaceful when I'm at home. So about a month ago, I started this decluttering series to go room by room, closet by closet, drawer by drawer, just becoming more minimal and organized. I created a place for everything, got rid of anything we don't need, attempting to make everything much more functional because I want to be the happiest, most carefree mom that I can be for my kids and for myself. I hate that I spent so many years in a marriage where I was so stressed out all of the time. I was so stressed. And I want a different life for me and my kids. So by making these changes around my home and decluttering, I honestly already feel so much better. And I hope that this can help you to get started if you're feeling similarly to me. You can always choose to have a fresh start.
Why don't you tell Yes, I know, yes, I know, yes, I know, yes, I know you wonder why I'm acting so at ease. 'Cause I know I need higher standards, deserve higher standards, will reach higher standards without you. 'Cause I know I need higher standards, deserve higher standards, will reach higher standards without you. You don't have to try to win me back, it's already too late. Now I find a peace of mind and I will gladly.
So my name is Brianna and I'm a seasonal decor addict. Seriously, I have so much, but you know if you've seen my Decorate With Me videos, I really love it. But I did want to get rid of some pieces that I just will never use again. But most importantly, I wanted to find some better ways to store this stuff in here. So I used the pegboard, which I really love these because they're pretty much great for anything in the garage, from sports equipment to tools to this decor. So I made this wall, the wreath and garland wall. It's like a little mini Hobby Lobby wall. There was so much dust in here. Oh my gosh. It was just a mess. It never got cleaned up after all the home renovation stuff I was doing last year. So it felt so good to sweep all that out and get it all out of here.
Why don't you tell this to somebody who cares? I never thought it felt this good without you, without you. 'Cause I know I need higher standards, will reach higher standards without you. 'Cause I know I need higher standards, deserve higher standards, will reach.
Overall, for garage storage, my tip would be hang up everything that you possibly can. I feel like it's so much more open and functional when you have more floor space in your garage. So like hanging up chairs, hanging up the umbrella, all the sports equipment, whatever I can. But I did keep the kids' scooters and their bikes out on the floor so that they can easily grab them and, you know, take them for rides quickly if they want to, since it's summertime. But in the winter, I'll probably try to hang them up too.
Okay, it is not perfect. It's not quite fully done, but so much progress has been made. So much sweat has been sweated. Like, I don't know if you can tell, my shirt is just completely soaked. Whew, that was a declutter in a sauna. Okay, here's the after. This wall over here just always, you know, makes me very happy with my bins. But I got some of the Christmas stuff up there. I kind of made this more the wreath and garland wall. Cleared out that area a lot. That's a dirty towel I have to throw in the washer, but my washer broke this week, so that's another fun thing to deal with. But I mean, just way more floor space in here now, and the kids can grab their bikes and scooters and sports stuff. I just wanted all that to be very functional. But I eventually, there's some boxes there I just have to like open up and go through, but just, I can't do it today, I'm too hot. And I did a lot, I'm very proud of myself.
If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you. Something about you.
Okay, this is a new day, kind of similar outfit, but I needed to restock the fridge and the pantry, and I wanted to do a little cleanup of the kitchen and tackle a couple of the drawers and spaces in here that I didn't get to declutter yet, including the junk drawer. It really, really needed bad, you'll see.
All right, restocked fridge. It's always like the best feeling when everything's all lined up.
Too drunk and too scared and loud.
Pantry has stayed decluttered, organized. It makes my heart so happy.
See what I mean? It's so bad, but let's take everything out and get this junk drawer back in order. And if you are super busy, or you're just in one of those seasons where you're really drained and exhausted and low, I know it can be so hard to get started with this stuff. But this is one of those spaces that if you are feeling overwhelmed, just start with one drawer like this. You don't need to do the entire pantry or the kitchen in a day. Just start with one drawer and then do one drawer a day. And then in a week or two, you're gonna have an organized kitchen.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest.
So much better. I love it. And then I don't know what I was doing with this drawer. Why was I saving all these corks for like a couple years? I don't know. I think I was debating doing a crack with them or something, but I decided for my mental health, it's better just to toss them and make space for new energy.
It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me.
And then this little area down here had some clutter, some pet stuff that I rehomed to a basket that I dedicated in the foyer to pet stuff. That's been huge for me, like having an actual place for everything.
Much more organized. I think my favorite thing is when I like completely clear out a space. I don't know, I love having a fresh start feeling.
But all right, everything in here is now nice and decluttered, so we're going to wipe down all the appliances, clean the countertops, scrub the sink, and just give this kitchen a nice little reset.
'Cause you don't listen, babe, but still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me?
Thank you so much for watching today's video and joining me on my decluttering journey. I hope that it helps motivate you to declutter and organize your home and improve your mental health and your life. I cannot tell you how much better I feel today after going around my home, tackling it room by room. So if you've been decluttering with me, let me know down in the comments, where have you been decluttering? I want to be able to tell you you're doing an awesome job, and it's just really fun doing this together. But we're not quite done. I still have the basement and my bedroom closet to do, so be sure to subscribe, have your notifications turned on so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Bye, loves.